Friends, Sandhya this side. As promised, I'm back again with communication series. So today I'm going to talk about the written communication which I had already promised. Before I start, would like to thank you all for the love you've shown for me, liking, subscribing, and also sharing my video. And I've got an immense response. And to take it forward without wasting time, stay safe, stay at home. This is all for our benefit. Learn at home, upgrade yourself. Friends, this is the time we can do a lot for ourselves. So without wasting time, let me start with written communication. So what is written communication? You know, when you write something for a person or writing something to somebody, it is something you are selling yourself, you are expressing yourself. So what you write defines you. So there are certain key rules as to what we need to follow about what is communication and what is written communication. So I've been talking about verbal, non-verbal, and you have been quite engagingly listening to it. So now today I'm going to talk about some guiding set of rules for written communication. So first is you need to know your audience, you need to be clear. You need to be having a goal in mind as to what you've got to write. You don't have to repeat. You don't know. You have before sending. You have to revise, re-look into that, take an expert help if required, and then you have to have an apt language, because your tone is going to depict what you are. Tone as in language, because if you want a proper reply, you need to be writing properly. And secondly, what message you want to send has to be very clear. You know, your language, it should be simple in what you speak. It shouldn't be very jargonized language. फिर उसके बाद हमको उसको छोटा क्रिस्प रखना है, हमने उसको बड़ा शॉर्ट रखना है, एक पूरा गोल क्लियर होना है. So these are all part of written communications. And secondly, अगर हम किसी को कुछ लिखते हैं तो वो अपने आप में एक बड़ी सी एक आर्ट होती है, क्राफ्ट होती है. राइटिंग इन इटसेल्फ इज अ बिग आर्ट. It's not everybody's cup of tea, but yes, we can develop and we can hone it with time. So there are few very glaring examples, as in I was catching the ball, right? And then I say I thought I was catching the ball. So it is something like you go into the language, the voice also changes. So if you're talking about something which is very, very active in the voice, that is engaging with the audience. And secondly, you need to be very good, in your approach. What you want to speak, प्रूफ रीड करिए उसको, आप बार बार देखिए उसमें कोई गलती ना हो, क्योंकि एक भी गलती सेंटेंस के मायने चेंज कर देती है. जब सेंटेंस का मायना चेंज होगा तो आप अगला जो आप जिसको भेजना चाह रहे हैं, जो आप जिसको मैसेज भेजना चाह रहे हैं, कम्युनिकेशन करना चाह रहे हैं, उसको समझ में नहीं आएगी. क्योंकि रिटन इज़ ऑल अबाउट व्हाट यू राइट, व्हाट यू थिंक, व्हाट इज़ व्हाट यू राइट. अगर आपका मूड ख़राब हो तो प्लीज़ मत लिखिए, कुछ भी लिखना मत करिए. अच्छा मूड हो लिखिए, बिकॉज आप जो लिखेंगे वो रिफ्लेक्ट करेगा आप क्या लिखना चाह रहे हैं. सो इट इज़ अ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टूल इन कम्युनिकेटिंग अ मैसेज. रिटन कम्युनिकेशन इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. पुराने ज़माने से चला आ रहा है कम्युनिकेशन. पहले चिट्ठियों से, पत्रियों से होता था, तो आज भी लेटर बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट फॉर्म है. सबसे बड़ा आजकल कॉर्पोरेट वर्ल्ड में है ईमेल एटिकेट्स. ईमेल एटिकेट्स आर सो इम्पॉर्टेंट. यू एक्सचेंज योर थॉट प्रोसेसेस थ्रू ईमेल्स. You give an answer, you send a record, you send whatever you want to send is through email. Now, if you're not able to reflect, I myself is a corporate person, so I know what impact it has on the other person when we talk about emails, because people usually they have a habit of just translating it of English into Hindi or Hindi into English. What happens is वॉइस चेंज होती है. आप जो लिखना चाहते हैं वो अगले को समझ में ही नहीं आता है. आप जो बोलना चाह रहे हैं वो अगला उस चीज़ को बहुत गलत तरीके से कंसीव करके उसको कुछ और ही समझ के आपका जवाब भी कुछ और देगा. जो आप चाह रहे हैं वो हो नहीं पाएगा, तो आपका मैसेज कंप्लीट हो ही नहीं सकता है. सो फ्रेंड्स, आई थिंक आई एम एबल टू एक्सप्लेन अबाउट रिटन कम्युनिकेशन. सो बी क्लियर, कंसाइज, गोल ओरिएंटेड, पर्पस शुड बी वेरी क्लियर, लैंग्वेज शुड बी एप्ट. Proofread, revise before sending the email, before sending your communication. And email is an example. So next time I'm going to talk about emails, the etiquettes in email. There's a video of mine which has garnered more than 500 views. So I'm going to share that video next time, and I think आप उसमें से कुछ ना कुछ ज़रूर सीखेंगे, और उसके बाद फिर मैं आपके पास आऊँगी विजुअल कम्युनिकेशन को लेकर के. So this is Sandhya signing off. Bye. My challenge of 500 engagements still remains. I am requesting you for your help, and thank you all for going through the entire video. Hope it's good enough for you to gain knowledge. So this is again Sandhya signing off. Bye bye.